Dear parents, guests and well-wishers, kindly occupy the blue chairs only or the steps of the stadium. Please don't enter the stadium. The brown chairs inside the stadium